Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you gonna bite me? Yeah, good job, Bird. First training session done. Alright, so she's gonna hold it.
I'm gonna try to hold it.
No, you have to hold it. I need to get the cage ready because I'm not gonna let them be slanting on the front. I know.
I wanna see your butt.
That one looks so cute. That one's really. This oh my bad. This cockatiel is it's rare, especially this time. And then these are like the normal. These are the baby ones. They're feeding it. Oh, they're feeding? Yeah.
Damn, it's so good.
I know, right?
No, it's papaloma. Don't give me like your food. No, it's mine. Don't give it. Your mom's choosing for it?
Hey guys, it's me, Phoenix Queen, and next time I'm back in this video. As you can see in the title, I am actually getting a bird with my friend Chelsea.
Yeah, we both chose it.
We're about to open the box, and as you guys know, it's a cockatiel. It's a cockatiel. It's a baby cockatiel. So we're gonna reveal the moment of truth.
If you wanted to breed that one, she wants to hold it, right?
Wait, I gotta wait for the car to shock when you stall too much.
They're all friends like that. They don't
Whoa. Are you gonna bite me? Yeah, good job, Bird. First training session done. Alright, so she's gonna hold it.
I'm gonna try to hold it.
No, you have to hold it. I need to get the cage ready because I'm not gonna let them be slanting on the front.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to hold this little fella.
No, you know he's stuck on the poop, right? So you're gonna touch his poop,
I don't care. He's my baby.
No, not like that. Okay.
If you're gonna breed them, then they'll turn
Careful,
around.
Birdie.
If I were to breed them, I wouldn't get them like that. I mean, I could get them. You could get them big,
He's scared.
Well, no,
but I wouldn't.
Can't see.
Oh, you got him!
One,
Sure, don't poop on me, please. Please don't
Can I hold it?
He doesn't know how to step up yet.
It's so I grab.
Damn, his claws though.
Ah, they hurt.
Mommy, we're holding the birdie.
Look at it.
He knows how to perch on a finger already.
But it hurts though.
Yeah, the claws. Yes, it does. You gotta hold it.
Oof.
You're driving.
You're driving.
I don't trust you right now.
You're driving. I think you're driving.
It's cute. That's a pretty one.
Right.
I'll put you on my shoulder, but I don't want you to.
This is actually a rare cockatiel. You will not find these in many stores.
Or like you said, like
So, yeah,
It's kind of hard to find. So.
Yeah, because if you think about it, other cockatiels
They're
are
like yellow,
or
green, white.
green.
No, yeah, green.
Like that color, it's hard to come.
Okay, I didn't get any, but I have some.
We're probably gonna name it Oreo.
Yeah, but I don't know. You guys comment down below.
Yo,
what
look
should
at
we
how
name
dirty he's been.
it? Because they fed him.
Oh, get him! Oh, get him! Oh, get him!
No, get him even Maverick the parrot.
Tiene todo bonito.
Oh, we should name it Maverick.
That is cute, like his little hairdo.
Maybe you should name them Storm.
Oh, if it's organic, that's enough.
Oh, he bit me. Ow. Put that in slow-mo, bro. Oh, he bit me. Ow. Oh, shoot. Oh.
There you go.
Only because they.
Oh, his wings are beautiful.
They like.
Yeah!
Good job, buddy. Oh, so we have the bird and it's like here. It's getting used to the water. Pooped in the water. I put like some shells so that it can be like more naturey, but he's kind of scared. He's scared.
I got you.
She got you. She got you.
Yo, I
Want
got
me to
you.
hit him? You got him.
There you go.
It's not too hot.
No, careful. Sit down so you don't scare him. You gotta try and look his height. Look at him. I don't think he likes taking baths. You think?
Obviously, birds don't take baths.
Yes, they do.
That's so cute. I am here in the bathtub so I can get like. He can't fly yet. He's just a little baby. We don't know how old he is, so we're guessing around like 2 months.
I'm gonna try and wash that
Right, Leah?
off. No, he's around 6 days.
6 days?
Mm-hmm.
You crazy?
Yeah, his wing is clipped right here. All right. You're fine.
Here.
We'll take you out. Come on.
Can I take him out? Let's go.
I know you're cold. It's okay. It's okay.
How are we gonna dry him?
No, he has to dry himself.
Well, you can put a time lapse of that.
We're gonna make it like hot. So you wanna take a shower? Alright, we're gonna do this.
Get her like a.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video. It's actually the next day. We're about to feed this little guy. So you'll see that in the next video, which is, I don't know, honestly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you all. Take it easy, Fire Fam. Peace.